Welcome back to the Fire Mountain Gems and Beads Jewelry Design Studio. Valentine's Day is right around the corner, so today we're going to be making these really quick, really simple Swarovski heart earrings. And to make this pair of earrings, you're going to be needing a 9mm jump ring, this Swarovski heart bead, this ear post, and an ear nut. It's going to be really quick and really easy. We're just going to grab our curved nose pliers and our jump ring. Go ahead and find the opening on that guy, so it gets right about there. And we'll go ahead and twist that open, making sure we're not pulling outwards, because if you pull outwards, you'll taco your jump ring. It won't look right, and you'll probably never ever get a good closure out of it again. So we'll go ahead and take our Swarovski heart, add it onto the jump ring, and our ear post, we can just throw that on there too. Grab our curved nose pliers, make sure we're getting good contact again. We're just going to twist that jump ring back closed. I'm actually going a little bit past fully closed and then working it back. That helps to solidify the metal in the jump ring. And let's get that just a little bit tighter there. I'm going to make sure that closure stays closed so we don't lose our ear post off of there. There we go, much better. Got a good clean closure on that jump ring now. We'll just add our nut. And there you go. Really pretty, really simple, quick and easy, heart-shaped earring. Happy Valentine's Day.